Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. All my day one supporters, big up yourself, and all my newbies, nice to have you. Let's make some easy yet delicious Jamaican gungo rice and peas. This is gonna be a quick and easy one. This is for a day when you feel like you don't want the long cooking but you want a delicious meal. So there I went in with a can of gungo peas, otherwise known as pigeon peas, 2 pegs of garlic for flavor, some water and some salt. We're just gonna give it a stir, cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're now gonna go in with our coconut milk. And I'm also going to add some more water because I'm eyeballing and see that we're going to need some more liquid to the amount of rice I'm cooking. Next, we're going in with our aromatics. There I went in with thyme, pimento berries, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some butter. I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning, which is optional. You could add a little bit more salt instead of the all-purpose seasoning, but it does add a depth of flavor. Now I'm going in with sugar. Yes, sugar. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you just don't know. Sugar does add a depth of flavor to your rice and peas. Half cover your pot to avoid spilling. Now it's time to go in with our wash and drained rice, and I will leave a guide of the recipe in the description below. Stir, and guys, in Jamaica they always say don't use a spoon in your rice. That's a myth. I use spoon in my rice all the time and my rice always come out Shelly. You will see the result of this. Now I'm tasting and it's perfect. Don't be afraid to taste your pot, guys. Now I'm gonna cover and cook for about 20 minutes on medium to low heat. After 20 minutes, amazingly beautiful, delicious, flavorful rice and peas, perfectly done. I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff it up. And what you can do, guys, you can test the grains, and if they're not fully cooked, you could go ahead and cover with a piece of foil paper or parchment paper on the lowest heat for about 5 minutes. I'm just removing the aromatics here because they already did their job. Guys, if you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Thank you so much in advance. I'm now gonna go ahead and plate this out. So this is what I had my rice and peas with, some tasty curry chicken. I will definitely leave a link in the description below for that. And I served up with some coleslaw and some cucumbers. Guys, the recipe was finger licking good. You should definitely give it a try. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye for now.